The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Silky velveted chicken and tender gizzards meet the nutty crunch of deep-fried almonds and crisp water chestnuts in this Malaysian-Chinese classic. Soft angled loofah adds succulence to a glossy, savory gravy bound by tapioca flour and seasoned with soy sauce, rice wine, and sesame oil. Toasted nuts, spring onions, and fresh coriander finish the dish, creating a vibrant, satisfying stir-fry that balances rich flavors with irresistible texture. Main ingredients: almonds 1 cup, chicken thigh 1, chicken gizzards 4, water chestnuts 1 cup, diced, Chinese mushrooms 4 soaked, cleaned and diced, onions 2 diced, angled loofah 1 diced, spring onions 2 chopped, coriander leaves 1 sprig. Marinade no. Tapioca flour 2 teaspoons, light soy sauce 1/4 teaspoon, rice wine 1 teaspoon, salt 1/4 teaspoon. Gravy mixture: water 3 tablespoons. Tapioca flour 1 teaspoon, salt remaining, rice wine 1 teaspoon, sugar 1/4 teaspoon, light soy sauce 1/2 teaspoon, sesame oil 1/2 teaspoon, pepper a good shake. For cooking, cooking oil for deep frying water 1 1/2 cup. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Blanch and dry the almonds. Blanch the almonds in boiling water for a brief moment to loosen their skins, then peel and dry them thoroughly with a clean kitchen towel. Dry almonds will fry more evenly and splatter less in hot oil. Step 2. Dice the chicken and gizzards. Clean the chicken thigh meat and the 4 chicken gizzards. Dice both into uniform 1 cm cubes so they cook evenly and quickly. Uniform sizing is the key to a professional stir-fry. Step 3. Marinate the chicken thigh. Season the diced chicken thigh meat with 2 teaspoons tapioca flour, 1/4 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon rice wine, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Toss well to coat every piece. The tapioca flour creates a velveting layer that keeps the chicken silky and tender during frying. Set aside to marinate while you prepare the remaining ingredients. Step 4. Blanch the water chestnuts. Bring 1 cup of water to a boil in a pan. Add the diced water chestnuts and bring it back to a boil. Remove and drain well. This quick blanch removes any tinny or starchy taste and firms up their texture. Keep the blanching water for cooking. Step 5. Prepare the vegetables. Dice the soaked Chinese mushrooms, onions, and angled loofah into pieces roughly matching the chicken cubes. Chop the spring onions and pick the coriander leaves for garnish. Having everything prepped and within arm's reach is essential for a smooth stir-fry. Step 6. Mix the gravy. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons water with the remaining tapioca flour, remaining salt, and remaining rice wine. Add 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil, and a good shake of pepper. Stir until the tapioca flour is fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Set aside. Cooking steps. Step 1. Deep fry the almonds. Heat about 1 cup of cooking oil in a wok or deep pan until it is just beginning to smoke slightly. Carefully add the dried almonds and deep fry until they turn a light golden brown. This happens quickly, so watch closely. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. The almonds should be fragrant and nutty with a satisfying crunch. Step 2. Fry the chicken thigh. Pour off all but 2 tablespoons of the frying oil from the wok. Heat the oil and add the marinated chicken thigh pieces. Stir fry for about 1 minute until the surface of the chicken turns opaque and lightly golden. The tapioca flour coating will give the chicken a glossy, velvety exterior. Step 3. Add gizzards, mushrooms, and aromatics. Add the chicken gizzards, diced Chinese mushrooms, blanched water chestnuts, and diced onions to the wok along with the remaining water, 1 1/2 cup total, including the blanching water. Cook for 3-4 minutes, stirring occasionally until the gizzards are tender and the mushrooms have absorbed the savory flavors. Step 4. Add the angled loofah and gravy. Once the meat is cooked through, add the diced angled loofah and toss to mix well. Give the gravy mixture a final stir and pour it into the wok. Continue stirring as the sauce thickens and coats every ingredient in a glossy sheen. When the angled loofah is just cooked, soft but still holding its shape, the dish is ready. Step 5. Garnish and serve. Season to taste with additional salt or pepper if needed. Transfer to a warm serving dish and garnish generously with the browned almonds, chopped spring onions, and coriander leaves. Serve immediately with steamed white rice.